You said boxing match. Lizzy Anjorin versus IYABO Ojo. Paulo, you know you cross your boundary and you cross your lane for calling another man's wife on your platform. Someone said, and I quote, that I've been coming for you unprovoked. But Paul Okoye, you were alive. You were not dead when your bed warmer. The rot.
Lizzy Anjorin ó ti jáde wá bú arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Paul Okoye. Ó ti jáde wá bú látàrí wípé ó sọ wípé kí òun pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó kí wọ́n wá jà o. Ó tún bú wípé ṣe 10 million ló lè gbé kalẹ̀. Ó ní ó ń lookless òun. Ẹ̀yin yẹn wá ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ láti Lizzy Anjorin.
Pussy of Turkey was calling the names of my husband. Apart from IYABO Ojo calling names of my husband, IYABO Ojo also harbored a strange woman. IYABO Ojo lied to Nigerians that my husband owns the 4 children, when IYABO Ojo did not know that. We have the DNA test and the document that proves that my husband does not own any child or any children from Folasariyu. You, Paul Okoye, you later harbored Folasariyu in your own house. That makes you a secondary offender, while IYABO Ojo is the primary offender. You did not just follow IYABO Ojo to mock an innocent soul, to forcefully collect ransom. You also involved yourself. I understand the fact that you were not a man enough. Of course, you are a man with missing balls. You were a man with no brain, no life. This is the worst thing you could do to a Igbo man. You can never try this with any Igbo man. You can never, Paul Okoye, you step on toes, you cross your boundaries by mentioning my name, a name that belongs to a responsible man, unlike unresponsible fake life like you. Paul Okoye, I did not respond instantly because I was in court with IYABO Ojo. Education is not a scam. For you, Paul Okoye, to have mentioned my name on your platform, and apart from the fact that you mentioned my name on your platform, you attacked my husband, you attacked my children, you attacked my family unprovoked when I never mentioned your name. While IYABO Ojo was mentioning my husband's name. Remember, Paul Okoye, IYABO Ojo never came for our family physically. Before she met you, she became a nuisance, a stupid failed actress, an idiot when she was with you. Nigeria never knew that IYABO Ojo purposely pushed a fake narrative that you are a billionaire, while you have nothing. Even common balls, you have none. And I cannot blame you. What can I blame from a man? That your anus is no more a virgin. If not for baby oil, that still maintain your misfortune, stature. You know you step on toes, Paul Okoye. You shouldn't have. Imagine my husband mentioning your wife or your baby mama. I mean the first idiot that gave birth, that gave you those children that we don't know you own them or not. Imagine my husband mentioning your wife's name on his platform. You think my husband cannot call out IYABO Ojo's name? You think my husband cannot update for IYABO? You think my husband cannot write? Remember, even if he cannot write, I can write. I can write well. When it comes to writing, ask anybody. Nobody can match my energy when it comes to writing. But because my husband balls still functions and his anus is still a virgin, unlike your anus that has been disvirgined by baby oil, you are just a foolish idiot. Imagine the role you played during Naira Marley Sam Larry. Imagine you involving yourself with Mohbad case. Imagine calling out very dark man. Paul Okoye, the day you posted this, you think I cannot sue you. Suing will not take the full revenge. Suing will not take full revenge. My husband told me that he cannot wait to be in the fight ring with you. Paul Okoye, you challenged me. You challenged me and I've accepted your challenge. I am ready to enter the same ring. Fight ring with IYABO OJO, which my husband and yourself will be the first. Either you are dead or alive. Me and IYABO OJO, we enter the ring the second day. Paul Okoye, this is height evil you can do to a married woman.